should not cause a problem or an impediment to the running and management of those particular schools. I submit, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Wanjala.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Education has been telling Kenyans that they disbursed, and this was in fact last financial year, that they disbursed money to ghost schools. They even gave the number of the schools that got that were ghost, who received the money. It is this same ministry that wired the money to those schools. They must be knowing the accounts. They must be knowing the signatories. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Health recently came in and did arrest those people who have been stealing sham money. Why has it taken so long for this minister to arrest those people who withdrew the money and in those ghost accounts of schools that they call ghost schools, and those who wired the money? Because they must be knowing. For how long will we be waiting? And yet he is causing other children to suffer for nothing. He should move the way the Ministry of Health has moved. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Ngare.
Thank
CS, record the interventions.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.